And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Puppy here.
Store these bags until I'm ready for them.
It's a hot day, so you see I'm don't have a shirt on. That's one thing I can get away with that
I'm putting
some other YouTube
out in here, Christy, on the flyer. That way it's out of the way, out of sight.
Anyway, as I was saying out there in YouTube land, it's a hot day, so I'm not wearing a shirt. The reason I'm recording this is I spent $9.87 on that's mobile phone telescope. No brand name. Made in China. Surprise, surprise, surprise. And okay, and in the case you get this and a clip. It screws on like so. You get two lens caps. Here's the big one. I can't find the small one. It's somewhere around here. Okay, and this is supposed to clamp on your fartsmone. All right? I don't have a fartsmone in reach. Anyway, this clamps over the lens of your cell phone's camera. Smartphone, cell phone, tablet. Anyway, I clamped it on my Android. And it specifically says for Android 2. Now, it's one of the listed device brands. I tried it. It's got like a 1 micron pinhole where you can get any image through, and it's too blurry once you clamp this on to really see what you're looking at. I mean, I can tell that the blur is getting bigger and smaller and bigger and smaller. It's a total piece of shit. There it is. And you see how it's supposed to clamp on your phone and all that. Anyway, you got these and a cleaning cloth. This is the one good thing in the whole, but now we're $9. 90 cents, maybe. And that's if you only buy one. In bulk over a dozen, 9 cents a piece. So that was a waste of $9. Thought you should know. This is an eBay. Okay. U.S. postage paid, permit number 39567, USPS first class package, shipping department, Department CA, North Dock K87-88, 10681, Production Avenue, Fontana, California. Maybe the guy in Fontana doesn't know what he's selling is garbage. Maybe he doesn't even care. But trust me, garbage. Good night in California. Hey gang, Puppy here. Christy asked me if I would help her with making handles for a project she's working on. And I figured, hey, I can probably get a video out of it.
Good luck.
Okay, now you see I got the two dimensions I cared about most first. Now, these curves, there's an old trick. Christy, kill that bug. Wait till it comes back to bug me. I need to move a couple things around.
Oh, very good, Wayne.
Okay. Anyway, that. Oh, okay, now. Ah!
There's Sandra.
Ah!
Got it.
Damn it.
He will be.
Oh. Come on there!
Things don't want to work right. Which in this house is awesome.
Okay. Now. Ah! Put you there. Plug you back in. Okay. Oh. I'd say there.
That wasn't good. Why'd he do that?
It's old, and I abused it. There's part of it right there on the join. Okay, now I stand up.
Let's lift up his buggy head.
Now these are 180s, so here we go. Okay. Okay, I'm going to stop for now because this is a long process and I don't want to waste computer memory space.